Hi. Oh, I forgot. So, welcome back in my channel. This is a part 2 and work out the pizza place. Diba sinabi ko magiging akong delivery sa part 1? If you don't watch part 1, click my video and you will see my part 1 video. And thank you so much for 62 subscribers. And nagitla nga ako bakit ang bilis sa subscribers ko. Let's go. Let's play work at a pizza place. Yung panguno muna kasi sinabi ko sa part 1 magiging akong cashier. Eh di magiging akong cashier. Bruh. Let's go. Nandito na tayo, guys. Magiging naman ang delivery. Dami. Okay, let's go. Kaya ko magiging motor. Bro, lalakad pa ako. Oo nga pala. Kotse ko. I'm so freaky dumb. Let's go! B5. Let's go. Wow. Thank you. And I am so proud on you and thank you for 62 subscribers. Bro! Hey! Bro! Bro, he drove. Bro, you are so idiot. How dare you? You look a noob. Ban the person. Oh, thank you. Let me see the oras. 8:44. Let's go. Gamitin ko na yung truck. Bahala siya dyan. Ay, nadyan na po. Lalakad pa ako. Bro, ang hirap nito ang gagawin ko. Maglalakad. Wow. Ano yun? Okay, dalawa na lang. Delivery! Delivery! Let's go. Bro, what is this? Hell na, I'm not. Hindi naman ako kasali dyan eh. Pansinin na lang yung may aso kami kasi nakakulit kasi guys eh. Yung aso yung natatalo namin eh, yung aso namin eh. Nagagalit ako. So, bibili akong bago. Yippee! Let's go! Flashbang! Let's go! This is my favorite. Close. Where's my house? Oh, nandito pala yung house. Mamaya ka na. Mga next part 3. Upgrade ko yung bahay sa loob. Ang nabahala dyan. Pansinin nyo na lang yung aso ko nakakain eh. Pansinin nyo na lang yun. Kasi ang nakakainis yung aso ko eh. So, lalakad muna. Bakit kasi lalakad pa ako? So, guys, kung natapos na ako to, so, see you later in part 3, okay guys? Kasi nakakinis yung puta ko. So, may dog. Saan talaga? Give me. Okay, thank you. Shut the fuck up. Okay na, okay. Let's go. Boom. Shut the fuck up. Tamo? Ganyan lang ang mga simple. Please. Okay. Thank you, no problem. And last one, and see you in the part 3. Malapit na lang ang bahay ko eh. Fuck. Pizza delivery. Okay, thank you. I'm so proud. And let's go to my house. Hey. So guys, so see you in the part 3 guys. Shut. Sasabihin ko na lang sa bakit kalbo. Okay. Good night guys.